Bong, you have to be a good husband first before you became a good father. Ma-practice mo sa kanya yung good relationship bago sa anak. Okay?
Nakaisip ka na?
Maisip?
Ram, ready ka na? Kasi ka na.
Di ba?
Every time I was lost, you'd be there for me.
Of course, congrats, and I wish you the best with Brian. I will always pray for you, and I'm always here whenever you need me.
Sunshine, you're my sunshine. In the darkest of hours, you're smiling. Sunshine, just like sunshine. On a cold, rainy day, you're still shining. Not a cloud in the sky.
I want to thank God for putting away all of my fears. God allows me to become one. I want to thank you dahil sa ginamit ka ng Diyos to push on my dreams. Making me able to provide most of these things, our wedding dream. He made me capable of caring not only for myself, but also building my own family.
Ako na talaga nagkagusto sa kanya. Nakikita ko lang siya sa malayo, ganyan. Tapos nagtuturo siya ng mga bata sa church. Parang classmates niya yung mga bata sa liit niya.
May nagsabi kayo sa akin na crush na daw ako. Sabi ko, ay, crush na ako. Kapal na mukha. Tapos feeling ko, totoo kaya yun? Ganun. Hindi ko naman tinry. Parang, okay, sige. Nag-attempt na siya at first. Kaya lang, that time hindi kasi okay. Tapos, parang come pandemic, mas naging close kami because of ministry sa church.
Yun yung talagang pinakasimula eh. Nagkagusto ko sa kanya during nung darkest moments niya. Nakakatuwang isipin na sabi ko, crush ko lang eh, ganyan. Hanggang sa dumating yung point na nagtagpo yung landas namin. Hanggang nagtuloy-tuloy yung usap namin. Sabi ko talaga hindi ako mag-best foot forward. Gusto ko siya makilala ko at siya makilala ko bilang siya.
Very informal. Tapos, before siya umuwi, parang sinabihan ko lang siya, okay na, tayo na. Hindi ko nga alam kung nakaligo pa ako nung araw na yun na sinagot ko siya or what, pero walang as in something special. As is lang na ako lang.
Paano kami magko-compliment? With God's word, it will never go wrong. Doon ko sinimulan.
In marriage, hindi pa ito obsolete. Because the blessings of God are written in His Word, it is also written in the DNA of our lives. It's the handbook of human life. By following this marriage, God's will is done on earth as it is in heaven.
When it comes to how thankful I am, I think I cannot even measure. Sobrang understanding niya. She really inspires me to be better. And I think, yun tayo eh. Siyempre, lahat tayo, we are a work in progress. To have someone who inspire you to be much better ba. If I'm better than yesterday, I'll be much better tomorrow. Because he inspires me. Very much thankful talaga na may makakatuwang ako sa buhay na alam kong I can really depend on.
Magpakabait ka na lang.
Mapa, thank you sa lahat-lahat. Sa pagpapaaral, ayan. Thank you sa pag-alaga, ayan. Gumiyak!
May the Lord bless your relationship, that you'll be able to pursue what your plans together.
Thank you for all your sacrifices for us. We know that you're doing it for us. Ma, wherever you are, you're just as happy as we are sa bagong chapter ng aming buhay. But having you for a moment with us, that's already one of the greatest things that I can say I'm very thankful for sa Diyos. I love you, Mama, and I miss you always.
B, thank you for making my life full of excitement, more colorful, more of flavor. It's a wise decision to pursue you. Now, I'm so excited to wake up every morning with your care and love.
I want you to know that you are my answered prayer. I pray for someone na maiintindihan na busy ako sa ministry. Someone na hindi ako pipigilan sa gawain, but instead sasamahan pa ako. Mama always reminded and emphasized to me and ate na maganda kapag nagko-complement ang ugali and characteristics. Which is true naman, matangkad ka, maliit ako. I have always been doubtful to myself if kakayanin ko pa mag-submit. Then you came. You made me feel that I can really depend on you, your decisions, your discarte. And from there I knew that this is the man to whom I can submit to.
What I can only promise is that I will do my best to follow God's word and be bound by God's word. With His instructions, we will never go wrong. May God bless us more abundantly to do more things for Him. I love you, B. And again, thank you for always believing in me.
Thank you for being my knight in shining armor. For always being a shoulder to lean on. Kahit di ko talaga abot. I'll be your partner and I will try to always remember na magkakampi tayo sa new chapter na to. Most of all, I hope and pray that this new chapter, our married life, our future family, may give glory to Jesus, not to us, but only to Him.